Hi guys, so this is another snippet of a haul. Went into Aldi. Tonight we're having salad with not fried chicken, but these chicken tenders, which are really good. I think these, yeah, the Parmesan herb encrusted, they changed the bag. They're $5.99. I usually just put them in the air fryer and then I'll slice them up. Some sharp cheddar cheese. A lot of the stuff is stuff to make lunches. Some nacho cheese flavored tortilla chips. JJ takes these because he eats early. JJ and Josiah eat early, like 10:45. The chewy chocolate chip granola bars. They didn't have any grape jelly, so I picked up the strawberry preserves. Some smoked honey uncured ham. Some ranch. Some white milk, 2%. The 100% juice fruit punch for lunches. Some more bread, as always. Some cheese baked crackers. I bought the Cheez-Its from Dollar Tree. Josiah likes those, so I got these, but they do sell Cheez-Its at Aldi. I think they're less than $2. These are $1.49 or $1.39. The mini peanut butter sandwich crackers, some croutons over here, some pepperoni for a quick snack, some Hawaiian rolls with the salad today, and some bacon bits. And Jason wanted his cookies. So that is it for today's haul. Hi guys, so I went to Aldi and Walmart. Tomorrow is Cottrell's birthday, so I had to pick up some things. He wants chicken quesadillas, which is his favorite, and I didn't order him a cake because my car has to go to the shop. They're gonna pick it up tomorrow, and I didn't order him a cake. And every time I call in the past with the other kids lately, no one ever answers the phone. Anyway, at Walmart, neither one. So he's older, so I figure he'll be fine if we just see what they had. You know how they have the cakes in front. So I just got him some cupcakes. I'll show you in 1 second. I picked up some of the Caesar salad kits, 2 of those. Jason and I wanted these. They're like $2.29. They're kind of pricey, but they're quick and convenient, and I haven't picked that up in a while. I saw some Weight Watchers recipes for the zucchini, so I picked that up. And then I saw where they have the jalapenos packaged. I don't know how long they had these. They're like 69 cents. The zucchini is $1.19. Oh, it's hot. It's so humid outside. It's late. It's like 9 o'clock, so I have to get Saya ready for his last 2 days of early start. So I got some cream cheese. I want to make some jalapeno poppers. They're in here somewhere, y'all. So I got some cheese, the taco style cheese, which is $2.29, and some Mexican style cheese for the quesadillas. I also have some flour tortillas. They're like $1. I needed some almond milk because I've been drinking smoothies. I'm gonna need some frozen fruits soon. I got the Fit and Active cream cheese. Yeah, however you pronounce that. I needed some bacon, and then I got Jason and them some milk. Jason mainly. Trail drinks it, but he needs to get the lactose free. And then the light sour cream, I got that for the quesadillas. And then the organic thick and chunky salsa. This is the hot flavor. I picked up Sasa some of his peanut butter sandwich crackers, and then I needed some onions, and the onions were really picked over. Of course, it was Sunday evening, but I had to watch them because they had moisture on them and they so strong. Anyway, I needed some more grapes, and I have stuff just thrown up here, y'all, because I said I'll record it. Some taco seasoning I usually put in the quesadillas. Jason's day off, so he has 1 day off, so he wanted his cookies. This is Cottrell stuff, y'all. So I'm just gonna show y'all because it's different. Because sometimes I be wanting to show you guys my mom's haul because she gets different stuff than I do. But I have to be ready with the camera, because a lot of times if we ride together, I take her home, or she just leaves her stuff in the car and she comes over here and picks me up. But anyway, I need to be camera ready to record her stuff, especially when she may have went to Trader Joe's or picked up different stuff at Costco or something, or Aldi. Anyway, so Trail wanted this green tea citrus, and he paid for that with his own money. He also got some sun chips, these garden salsa. He's been loving sun chips since forever. He has a sweet tooth, so let's see what else he picked up, y'all. Lord have mercy. He picked up some Twix. He works out though, but still, his sweet tooth is ridiculous. Snickers. That was at Walmart, and then this is Aldi again. 2 of the honey wheat. Let's see, before my battery goes dead. For some reason, my Walmart is not having the Festy Diet Coke. None of the new slim cans, so I don't know what's going on with that. But the Minute Maid Light, 10 calories. This was $1. So I got that, and I got me a Pepsi Cherry Diet, or 0 sugar. And then I got, I didn't need these, y'all, some triple muffins. I got Trail a birthday card. Let's see, Italian Sub Hero for JJ. And then I got some lemon pepper flavored chicken. I wanted them to have the butter recipe, but they didn't have it. These are only $3.50, but they're small. And then up here I got Trail some of these cupcakes. They had happy birthday, so that's what they say on it. I'm holding this all wonky with this tripod. And then these here, so they're chocolate and vanilla, and they're $6.92. Trail also picked up the, I guess it's a foot-long size, the chicken bacon ranch super sub. So he wanted that. I guess it comes with ranch dressing, and this was like $5, I believe. Yeah, $5.98. And then lastly, I got Sasa. This, I've been eyeing this like forever, y'all. This chalkboard at Walmart, and it's only like $7 and some change. It says first day of blank. He put his name up here, his age, his teacher. I've been wanting him to have one. I wanted all my kids to have one of these, but I didn't know where they were getting them from. Probably Etsy long time ago, but now Walmart has a board. So when he has his first day, he can have, I can fill that in for his first day every day. Well, not every day, but every year. So guys, that's all I picked up from the store. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.